I guess I ought to do something.
Okay, welcome to Shenzhen Immigration. Nandito na po kami ngayon mga lalab. So magti-trip po kami sa China. Trip to China. See you soon, China. So bali sumali po ako sa group tour mga lalab at bali package deal na po yung binayad ko. As in, nandun na po yung visa, yung ticket.
Ato si Ronaldo?
Saan? Oh. So, ang dami namin ngayon mga lalags. Lahat ito mga Pilipina.
Hi. I remember you.
Yeah.
No.
So, ang dami namin ngayon. Ayan mga lalags. So, waiting pa po kami. Kasi sabay-sabay po kaming papasok ngayon. So, waiting. Ayan po. Chine-check lang po yung aming mga passport tsaka ID.
Okay, complete. Follow me the group.
Papasok na po kami sa may immigration ng China, mga lalabs. Cross the border na po kami mga lalab already in China. So, bali, hahanapin na po namin yung aming tour bus na sasakyan namin. So, ayan po. Go lang, follow the leader. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Ito yung aking mga kasama. Bali 9 kami lahat. So, bali akyat na po kami sa may bus. Ayan.
Sila naman lang ako.
Driver to recognize you. If I made some mistake, I can ask you, who is your tour guide? I say, oh, you are my tour guide. Like the driver, he only can speak 2 sentences of English. Hello, bye-bye. What's the meaning? No, it means no meaning. So, for this one, for this VIP card, if you have this one, the driver will check, okay, you are in my bus. He will open the door, allow you enter the bus. Who didn't fasten the safety belt? Yes, to safety belt. If no, always beep. Make sure everyone you have. 你这个把它捆上，你把它安全带给它捆上，要不一直在响。Who didn't? 啊
Mayroong walang nakas.
Check.
Kaya na bibip yung bus.
Safety belt. If no, always be because now in the Shenzhen, in the China, is very safe. All the system is connecting to the government system. Who still be? Okay, now final. No, not here from back. From back, yes. Oh, solo picture. If you are wife and husband, if you don't want to find a new girlfriend, you can take with your wife. If you have other thinking, find a new girlfriend, also you can separate taking. Up to you, huh? But
Mga lalabs, bali ito po yung una naming destination dito sa may China. So, bali, andito na po kami ngayon sa aming first destination. Ayan po mga lalabs yung view. So, nauna na po yung mga iba naming kasama. Ayan po. Pagkatapos po namin ng group picture, so hinayaan muna kami ng aming tour guide na umikot po dito sa lugar na ito. So bali mga 10 minutes lang po kaming mag-stay dito, and then proceed na po kami doon sa aming next destination mga lalab. So ayan, kanya-kanyang posing, kanya-kanyang kuha ng picture, kanya-kanyang video mga lalabs.